Alright guys, good morning. It is still morning. Yeah, it's still morning. It's actually, I don't know, close to 12 o'clock, but I know it's still morning. I gotta walk up to the store, up to Jumbo Genera again, and I gotta pick up a load. If you're not familiar with the load, hang on, let me spin this around so you can see what's going on. If you're not familiar with loads are, hello?
Hi, sir.
There's the ice cream guy. Loads are what people buy to stick in their phones. You know, they buy 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, whatever denomination, whatever, you know, pesos they want to buy, and stick it in their phone, and they get so much airtime with that. And but we sell that at the store. We sell the loads. So that's what I got to do. Go head up there and get a load. Hello, good morning. These guys are working on a tire, putting a new tire in. Yeah. Your tire? Yeah, these guys putting a new tire in. You see places like that all over the place, vulcanizing. You know, because everybody drives motorbikes. A lot of people drive motorbikes and trikes, and they get holes in them. So guys have put up little stands all over the place here to fix the guys' tires. Good morning.
They could be doing.
And yeah, they, you know, since everybody drives them and people get holes in tires and stuff, they're like all over the place here, these little vulcanizing places where they, you know, fix the guys' tires and stuff. You see guys pushing bikes down the road, getting to the nearest tire place to get, you know, the hole in their tire fixed. But yeah, you see them all over the place. But this road here, I've never filmed on this road. I mean, I've driven it 100 times. It's like 4 streets over from our store, and we take this way. We take this way quite a bit, because we actually do almost like a big U on our way home. And this is the road we run up to get on another road, to get on another road to get home. But yeah, figured I'd break out the camera, show you this new area. This actually comes up, I forget the name of the street, but it's the street that the Daewoo bus station's on, and that's where all the buses come in and out of.
Hi, Grant.
Oh no, hindi po. No, thank you. That's the thing, you walk around here, people will constantly ask you if you need a trike or whatever. Oh, somebody asked me, what is stinkfoot? Stinkfoot's a term I made up. It's, if you're walking in an area, and there's like water on the street, and it's like muddy and dirty, and you actually get your foot in the mud or the water, gets up on your foot, and it's like stinky water or stinky mud. I call it stinkfoot. So to the person that left a comment about what's stinkfoot, that is stinkfoot. And like I said, that's my term for it, stinkfoot. I go to the other side of the road here. Show you some of these little places here. There's a radiator shop up here on the left. And if you see that TNT, Load Natito, these places sell loads also. A lot of the well, I wouldn't say a lot of them, but quite a few of them sell, you know, loads at sorry stores. Yeah, there's a little sorry store. Well, actually, no, it's a radiator shop. Used to be a sorry store in there. Not no more. And then you got, these guys are still open year-round. They sell the lights, the Christmas lights. If you come down through here at night, the lights are still on. So I mean, you can still purchase them. But most of the time, Christmas time, there's a ton of them set up all over the place. But yeah, if you still want to buy a Santa Claus and stuff, you can still buy it. One across your street. Let me walk down this way a little bit, walk down the highway. let me think, June, July, August, 3 more months, you will start hearing Christmas music here. They start celebrating Christmas in September. You go into the malls, you'll hear music. It's okay to put up your Christmas tree and your Christmas lights. But yeah, only a couple more months. And if you're not familiar with it, the Philippines celebrates Christmas the longest in any other country in the world. It's another vulcanizing place right here. See, they're all over the place. Guy sells tires too. Got little restaurants up and down the road here. This is the main road that comes off the highway into Dao here, the Dao bus station. So there's a ton of buses here all the time. Repair shop here. Auto repair. I'm actually going to go right down here to where I'm going to get the car worked on. I'm going to talk to them real quick. Talk to them about getting the car brought in for repair. This is the place right here on the right. Alright, I got to go in and talk to these guys. I'm going to do a video on the body repair shop. But like I said, right now I want to go in and talk to them. Alright guys, I just came from the body shop. Saturday, 7 a.m. I will bring it in and they will work on it. What I'm going to have them do is just put the broken tail light back in, and then I'm going to have them, when it comes in, have them turn around and stick it in. It doesn't look like it's a hard job. Maybe I'll even do it, I don't know. But that's what's going on. Saturday, I got to take it up here, and I'll try to do some filming here and show you guys what a body shop looks like. Definitely not a body shop that you see back in the States. Like I said, definitely not like the States. I hurry up. I take my time, everybody else does. But anyways, now I'm across the street here. Show you some of these shops over here. Welding shop. We do motor welding, generator, diesel engines overhaul. You guys see it. Work on, looks like a lot of generators. Got a barber shop here. Filipino doing what they love to do, texting on the phone. Motor light here. Car wash. Here's another Christmas light, lanterns or whatever you want to call them. I know there's a name for it, I just can't remember. Here's another one. Hello. Sells them all here too, year round. Some buses. This little bridge that goes across the water here. So those in the back there can take a little shortcut. It's actually not bad out today. The humidity's not bad. Sun's under the clouds. From what I'm told is there's a big storm either on the way or coming through or one of those, and we will definitely get rain is what I was told. So guys do tires. So yeah, they're all over the place. And we're coming up to the Dao bus station on the left-hand side. As you can see the buses. Now this here is going up. It's been going up for a while, this building. There's a sign up here that says My Home Depot. Now what My Home Depot is here, I'm not sure. Is it a Home Depot like back in the States, or are they just trying to use the name? I don't know. But this building here has been under construction for a while now. the Dow bus terminal, Jollibee, City Mall, right here, this place here. We're renovating to serve you better. I know they do sell tiles and everything in there, so I do know they sell tile, but if they are expanding out like the other depot, I don't know. But yeah, there it is, guys. And start coming up here, your vendors up here. Start coming up to the Nipo Mall or Jumbo Genera. Hello. All right, guys, I made it back to the shop right now. You know what? For some reason, for the past couple days, we couldn't get soda. Nobody had soda. Dingo didn't have soda. Our suppliers that came around didn't have soda. So I don't know what was going on, but for some reason, soda wasn't available. I don't know how many days left.
2 days.
Like 2 days. I got to the shop today, and guess what? The soda guy finally showed up. So now we are stocked back with soda. Coca-Cola. What else? What else we got, bud?
Huh?
What other sodas did we get today?
Coke.
Just Coke.
Sprite. Royal. Gatorade.
Gatorade. But was it just Coke we couldn't get?
Coke.
Just Coke. And D&Go didn't have any soda, right? Dingo didn't have any soda.
No, they don't have soda.
They didn't have any soda yesterday when we stopped in. And of course, Sheila's here. Still single, still ready to mingle.
Yeah.
Somebody
I'm
asked
still
about
waiting.
Sheila. Yeah, she's still waiting. But anyways, I gotta show you this here. You guys seen that little kitten in the beginning of the video. Right out here is the side door we use to come in and out of the shop and lock it up and everything. And here's Justice. Justice is always hungry. There's Nine-Eye. We call this cat Nine-Eye. Nine-Eye was the one that was left when the people moved out. And we're feeding Nine-Eye. But anyways, the other day we walked out here, and you can see we have the empty rice bins out here. But yeah, these are the apartments back in here that, you know, the people rent and stuff. But here is the empty rice bins. And the other day, I looked in, and there was a tiny kitten. Now that's Nine-Eye's kitten, because Nine-Eye was laying in there feeding it. So yeah, that's the little kitten you guys seen at the opening of the video. So hopefully it makes it. I mean, it's still a kitten, you know, it's still being fed by its mother, and but yeah. All right, so Hannah Grace had first day of music today, and Lut is gonna sing what she learned today. Don't mind Lut's scary face. She has her mask on. All right, Lut, go ahead and sing it and see if it's right by Hannah Grace. All right, go ahead.
1, 2, tie my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, big fat hay. Ganon? Like that?
Was that right, H? No, that was wrong. No. What's her grade for singing?
2.
Huh?
What? You said this is very hard. This is very hard. I just follow the ano. No. 1, 2. Go like that.
No. No. Are you gonna sing it, Hannah Grace?
You gonna sing?
No, you're too shy.
Don't be shy.
All right, sing it with Mama. Sing it with
We
Mama.
gotta sing together.
Ayaw. Tayo ate.
Oh wow, no, Ate Sheila.
1, 2, ready, get it, go. 1, 2, poker face.
Ano po creepy?
1. Ano ba? Again. Ayusin mo.
Again.
1, 2, 3.
Nagkaya ka po.
Gumagaya. I was like repeating. I was following you. 1, 2, Ano ba?
Good job. Good job. You know what, guys? Here's the thing about music here in the Philippines, and correct me if I'm wrong, but Philippines, they don't censor music, right? No, there's no censorship of the music. Like, if there's swearing in the music, if there's anything sexual in the music, it's just played over the radio. The first time when I was here and I was listening to music, it kind of caught me by surprise. I'm like, wait, what? And then I heard it a few other times, you know, when I first got here. I'm like, wow, they don't censor their music. It's uncensored. You know, another thing about music here, like, there's radio stations, but there's not as many, at least up here in Angeles. I'm sure in Manila there's a lot more radio stations, and I'm sure we get radio stations up here from Manila, right? Or not? Or are they all local?
They are all local.
Let's say they're all local. But, like...
No, yeah, each place, I think they have their own.
Yeah. I don't know.
Station.
I don't know,
I'm
but,
not sure.
you know, you get some, all they do is play, like, Tagalog music. That's all they play. You got some radio stations up here, like, for an hour they might play, like, rap music. Up-to-date rap music, older music. And then, like, an hour later, they're playing Tagalog music or love music. Like, there's no, like, real heavy metal music up here. Like, I don't hear heavy metal music on the radio stations. And you know what? Here's the funny thing. It's weird. It's like when they do play like rock music, it's all like music from like the 80s. Not that there's nothing wrong with the music from the 80s, but I say it's like they're stuck in the music of the 80s here. Like Journey's like a big group here, and you know what? I guess because Pinella, is that his name from Journey? Arnel Pineda. You know, he's the lead singer for Journey, or last time I checked he was. But yeah, and here's another thing too, like they could be playing like a rap music, you know, hardcore rap music. Go to a commercial, and the commercial is, what's the prayer that they sing at the Catholic Church? You know, the prayer.
Hail Mary, and the Our Father.
Like and then they might like do like the Lord's Prayer after the music. I've noticed here commercials. A lot of times you'll hear like religious quotes and just different religious things here on the radio station. But yeah, you know what? Like I said, it kind of reminded me of that when Hannah Grace, you know, and Look were singing. But yeah, if you didn't know that, you know it now. So figured I'd share that with you.
Liberty.
There's Lazy Liberty.
Liberty! Why are you not listening? Come here! Liberty!
Lazy Liberty.
Come here.
Alright guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. It's been a very nice day here today. Not too hot. Sun was covered by the clouds. Nice little breeze out there. But before I end this one, you guys remember, if you come here to the Philippines, or if you're living here in the Philippines, try to avoid stinkfoot. It's nasty, it's gross, and it stinks. That's why I call it stinkfoot. But anyways, all kidding aside though, you really got to watch. I mean, if you got cuts on your feet, nicks on your feet, anything like that, you know, I joke about it, but you really do got to watch, because you never know what you're stepping in sometimes. And if you have an open wound on your foot, it could get infected, and then you would have some serious problems. Keep your feet clean. If you step in something nasty and you got a cut or whatever, put a Band-Aid on it. Whatever you got to do, scrub it, clean it, but don't let it not get untreated, because then you'll have some real problems. But anyways, guys, I'm going to end this video. Anything to say, Lut?
Huh?
You got anything to say?
If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe. Give him thumbs up, thumbs down. Choice is always yours. Till next time.
Bye-bye.
There it is, guys. And tomorrow the journey continues, and we'll see you then.